Good morning, student. Welcome to Department of College Education. The student, previous session we are discussed curriculum vitae in CV, resume, and what are the content including the CV, resume, how to preparation, what is job application, how many types of application, how many types of job application. So we will discuss it in this previous session. So in this session we are discussing about interview preparation. Introduction. In typical interview, the location, the typical interview, the action in controlled by interviewer, established the style and structure of interview. In employment interviews, the employer want to learn about the applicant's ability and experience. In employment interview, the employer want to learn about the applicant's ability and experience. The job candidates want to learn about place and organizations. Both hope to make a good impression and establishment a rapport. A job interview are usually fairly formal and organized. A correct and critical listening skill are especially important. An interview is an important skill and requires especially types of preparation. At a recent advisor committee meeting of business executives and college teachers of business department, the business people were asked how can we help our graduates complete on the job market. This is very clear questions. How can we help our graduates complete on the job market? Replying for the group, one man advised, teach them how to present themselves properly at a job interview. So much as be decided in the brief time of the employment interviews, and it may not seem fair, but the individual's appearance in interview and his personal performance after the interview and appointment is more important than education eligibility. Education eligibility and ability. Although interview may be several types and we shall study interview for job for employment only. An employment interview is structured and purposive conversations between the interviews and interviewer or interviewers. The interview is not a test of knowledge alone, but an acid test of your personality in the strict sense of the word. The knowledge itself is a part of your personality, and the knowledge inspires confidence, the witness of personality. Meaning of interview. An interview is most prevalent kind of planned communication. Interview is a special technique of communication that is used to examine the behavior of an individual or individuals to match their statement and to study the clear conclusion of social interaction. Definitions of interview. According to Josias Mitchell, an interview is face to face, oral, observational, and personal appraisal method. Usually, it is used as a means of getting information from the candidates. It also involves giving information that will help the applicant make up his mind about company. Do you understand, dear student? In the other word of Stewart and Cash, interview is a process of dyadic communication with predetermined and serious purpose designed to interchange behavior and involve the ask and answering the questions. So, interviewing the candidate is an important aspect of selection procedure. The final selection is partly based on the performance of candidate in different tests and partly on his performance in the final interview. In the interview, the candidates has to appear before the interviewer or a group of interviewers. The candidate's overall personality is judged in the interview. The interview may last for 10 to 20 minutes or even more. Various questions are asked from the candidates in order to judge his ability, knowledge, capacity, and so on. Interviewing the technique is used in all companies and in case of all category of the staff recruited. Interviewing candidates is an important skill of interviewer. Now we are going away from the age-old practice when interviews were essentially meant for rejecting candidates and not to select them. In olden days, a number of people who wanted to get selected used to be very large and the vacancies were quite few. Consequently, every interviewer wanted to some reason to reject a candidate than selecting him. Nowadays, the situation has changed and getting the suitable candidate for several jobs has become a difficult task unless there is a good understanding skill used. The organization may end up in selecting anybody. This is not a proper selection to the recruitment problem. Important of employment interview. The important of employment interview are there is a face-to-face contact between the employer and candidates. This is face-to-face. The employer can assess the personality traits of the candidates. The candidate can seek more information about the employer and the job. This creates better understanding in the mind of candidates. The communication skill of candidate can be judged in interview. His way of thinking can also be known. Interview is very important where the candidate has not to go through employment test. The information contained in application form can be checked during interview. And one more, many companies do not follow elaborate selection procedure as it is costly and time consuming. They can rely on interview if it is properly planned and administered. The top 6 guidelines effective interview. Interviewer must be person of outstanding capability in judge various skill possessed by the candidates. The interviewer should have adequate training and experience in conducting interviews. The interviewer need to begin the interview with the information already given by the candidates in his application, then asking professional questions. This will create a confidence in the candidate to answer the other questions. This like to be create good rapport between the candidates and interviewer. The interviewer should know what all the traits assessed during the interview like intelligence, aptitude for interpersonal relationship, self motivation to work, and also qualities like honesty, ability to communicate, emotional balance, and coordinating ability. The, the interviewer should ensure that interview should not be predictable, not easily judgeable, not before judgeable, not can think before interview, means cannot give the judgment before interview. So prejudicial. The interview should be elicit the required information about the candidate to enable the interviewer to have a comprehensive idea about the candidate's personal appearance, attitudes, mannerism, motivation, merits, temperament, and other personal attributes. Types of interview. The common types of interview depending upon the nature and importance of the position to be filled with an organization. The several type of interview are commonly used depending upon the nature and importance of the position to fill with the organization. There are several types of interview. One is unstructured. It means non-directive interview. Structured. It means direct interview. Situation interview, situation interview, behavioral interview, job related interview, stress interview, panel interview means board interview, mass interview means group interview, phone interview. We are discussed one by one here. First take the unstructured interview. The unstructured interview, there is a generally no set format to follow so that the interview can take various directions. The lack of structure allows the interviewer to ask follow-up questions and pursue point of the interest as they develop. An unstructured interview is an interview where probing open-ended questions are asked. It involves the procedure where different questions may be asked to different applicants. Structural or directive interview. In structural interview, the interviewer lists the questions and acceptable response in advance and may even rate and score possible answer for appropriates. Applicant for a particular job is known as a structured interview. A structured interview typically contains 4 type questions. The situational questions. There are 4 questions in asking in structural. These are first one situational question. Pose a hypothetical job situation to determine what the applicant would do in that situation. Situational question, job knowledge question, probe the applicant job related knowledge, job sample simulation questions. Involves situation in which an applicant may be actually required to perform a sample task for the job. Last question, work requirement questions. Seek to determine the applicant's willingness to confirm a requirement of job. Let's start situational interview. In situational interview, you ask the candidate what his or her behavior would be in a given situation. Candidates are interviewed about what action they would be take in the various job related situations. Situational interviews ask interviewers interviews that to describe how they would react to a hypothetical situation today or tomorrow. Behavioral interview. In a behavioral interview, you ask applicants to describe how they reacted to actual situation in the past. The candidates are asked what action they have taken in prior job situation that are similar to situation they may encounter on the job. The interviewer or the score using scoring guide constructed by the job experts. There is a structured interview that use a question designed to probe candidate as past behavior in the specific situation. This technique involves asking all the interviews standardized question about how they handle past situation that was similar to situation they may encounter on the job. The interviewer may also ask discretionary probing questions for detail of situation, the interviewer's behavior in the situation and the outcomes. The interview's response are the second with behavioral anchored rating scale. Job related interview. In the job related interview, the interviewer asks applicant question about relevant past experience. It is series of the job related questions that focus on relevant past job related behaviors. The questions here do not revolve around the hypothetical or actual situation or scenario. Instead, the interviewer asks job related questions such as which course did you like best in the business school? Next, sixth one, stress interview. In stress interview, the interviewer seeks to make the applicant uncomfortable with occasional rude questions. The aim is supposedly to spot sensitive applicant and those with low or high stress tolerance. Stress is introduced may help unhurt hypersensitive applicant who might overact to mind criticism with anger and abuse. It intentionally creates anxiety to determine how an applicant will react to stress on the job. Panel interview or board interview. A panel interview, also known as board interview, is an interview conducted by a team of interviewers who together interview each candidate and then combine their rating into a final score. Here, a candidate is interviewed by several representatives to the firm. The techniques details of job candidate given oral response. This technique entails job candidate give the oral response to job related questions asked by panel of interviews. Each member of the panel then rate each interview on such dimension as a work history, motivation, creative thinking and presentation. The scoring procedure for oral interview boards has typically been subjective, thus it would be subject to personal biases of these individuals sitting on the board. This technique may not be feasible for jobs in which there are a large number of applicants that must be interviewed. Next, one on one interview. In one on one interview, one interviewer meet one candidate. In typical employment interview, the applicant meet one on one with the interviewer. As the interview may be highly emotional occasion for the applicants, meeting alone with interviewer is often less threatening. Next, mass interview. The mass or group interview is relative new technique in the West and almost unknown in our country. It's a procedure for the discover for leadership. A several job applicants are placed in leaderless discussion and interviewer sit in sit in the background to observe and evaluate the performance of the candidates. In a mass or group interview, a panel interviews several candidates stimulate simultaneously. Several candidates simultaneously. The panel poses a problem and then watch to see which candidate takes the lead in formulating an answer. Last, phone interview. Employer to some interview entirely by then can actually be more accurate than face-to-face interview for judging an applicant's consistency, intelligence, and interpersonal skill. Here, neither party need to worry about thinking like appearance or handshakers. So each can focus on substantive answers, or perhaps candidate someone surprised by an unexpected call from the recruiter. Just give answer that or more spontaneously. The interview 6 steps process. The common question asked in the face-to-face interview and probably whatever it may be, but there are 6 steps interview process of the interview. Preparation. Clear establish objective of the interview and determine the specific questions to be asked. Select interview method and panel number who will interview the candidate. Select a room free from interruption. Keep ready interview assessment forms. Receptions. Greet the candidate and put the applicant health. Start the interview on time. Information exchange. State purpose of interview. Begin the interviews with open-ended questions so that can express himself freely. Ask appropriate question to find out how the candidate meets the job requirement. Focus on candidate's education, training and experience. Avoid the questions that are not job related. To increase the reliability, it better to ask some question to candidates. Keep note of interview of evaluation performance. Further, the interviewer should make a note of facial expression and gesture that indicate the attitude and feeling of candidates. Some of the common questions asked in the face-to-face interview and probable answer are given below. Tell us briefly about yourself. Introduce yourself means your name, age, qualification, brief family background. Explain the current nature of job and responsibility. Key achievement in the job and focus on strength that they are relevant to job. Tell us about your current job. Explain duties and responsibilities. What are your strengths? Highlights your strengths such as technical knowledge, ability to meet deadlines, does not wilt under pressure, ability to work expected hours, interpersonal relationship, analytical ability. Be prepared to substantiate the strength with relevant incident in the professional life. How do you want to leave the current job? Why do you want to leave the current job? Highlight the higher responsibility, growth opportunity, working in large organization, learning new skill, etc. Regarding the current employer, highlight the size of the company, nature of business, products, etc. Do not focus on weakness of company. Do not talk about the negative aspects of the company. What is your weakness? State weakness that are not very seriousness. Example, cannot accept shoddy job. Lose patience in the people, take very long time to complete the job, etc. Why should we select you? state your strength in relation to job, highlights domain knowledge and soft skills. What are your expectations regarding remunerations? Tell the interviewers that you will accept the salary that in the line with the responsibility of the job. If this question is repeated, given a direct answer, that is, you are expecting something some amount per month. If you are fresher from the college, you may say that salary as per the policy of the company will be acceptable to you. If you just go to the interview, there is no any experience. Have you applied for the job in another company? Do you have offers? This is a difficult question to answer. Do not lie, provide an honest answer. Probably the interviewer want to check your honest. What is more important to you? Salary or growth opportunities? Growth opportunity with a fair salary and benefits. These are the including information exchange process. Next, fourth step, termination of the interview. The end the interviews as pleasant as it began. One way of closing the interviews is to ask the candidates, would like to ask any questions to us. Do not give any indication of his perspective at this stage. Inform the candidate about the next step in the selection process. Next step is evaluation. Regarding your observation, discuss with the other panel members regarding their observation about the candidates. It is better to use the common evaluation from this purpose. Next, the candidate will be very anxious to know the result of the interview. Hiring a challenging task. Successful hiring helps the company getting the good talent, which can be instrumental in shaping a future of the company. A team of talented individuals working together is a great asset of the growing company. Interviewing is an important tool of check the personal and professional qualities of the manpower coming in to join the company. It should be done very carefully and with proper planning. If there are too many candidates, it is advisable to screen the candidate through one or more tests. Another method to check the candidate behavior in the group testing is to hold a group discussion among them before test interview. Next, failure failure of failure failure of interviewers to agree. Sorry, this is only 6 step. Okay, I will complete the 6 step. Next, go to the major limitation of the interviews. There are 5 major limitation of interviewers. So, interview panel or the interview process. In additional job specification questions, some are asked in the interviews. They are conducting test and also others, video conference or telegraphic, and determine that interview level decision strategy also involved in this interview. So apart from this, Some of major limitation of the interview. It is fortunate that is in at least some organization the interview is not the sole selection technique because it is notoriously inaccurate by itself. There are number of additional problems with its user selection that must be overcome. First, failure of interviewers to agree. A major problem with the interviews is the difficulty of getting several interviewers to agree in their assessment of same applicant, particularly with the unstructured interview techniques. The more highly formalized or structured in the interview procedure, to great will be agreement among interviewers. This is feasible in principles. It is not widely practiced. Failure to predict job success. Even if the problem of interviewer consistency was solved, there are many in the difficulties with the predictive accuracy or validity of the interviewer techniques. The major causes for the lack of predictivity utility is that the interview is a subjective personal process. The interviewer assessment of the candidate can be distorted by personal prejudice as well as by the nature of the interview situation. Interviewer tend to be affected much more by negative information about an applicant than they are by positive information. One or two negative items about potential employee can cause us an interviewer to overlook or ignore more positive information no matter how important it is. Stress of the interview situation. In interview, it is a natural to expect a certain amount of nervousness on the part of the applicant. A trained and experienced interviewer can do not much prevent or reduce applicants' nervousness by trying to establish rapport early in interview. How sympathetic, understanding, and friendly the interviewer appear can be influence the applicant's behavior, which is in turn influence the interviewer's assessment. Stress in the interview situation can also operate on interviewers, particularly if they are behind quotas and are being pursued by home office. Interviewers stand for comparison. The contrast effect. Many interviewers see many job applicants often one after another, and how they evaluate particular applicant depend on the characteristic of those person whom they had interviewed previously. Interviewers often do not have any standard for the kind of person who is considered a suitable employee. How favorable an applicant appearance depend on how good or poor and the others are. In other words, the standard for the suitable employees constantly changes. Interviewers prejudice. Another characteristic of interviewers that can influence their judgment is their own like and dislike. Many interviewers may believe that women are incapable of performing certain kinds of job. Majority groups of members may believe that minority group members are unwilling to work hard. Biases can operate both ways. Just as interviewer may dislike people with certain characteristics and disqualify them for job regardless of their qualifications. They may also hire others simply because they exhibit some characteristic the interview like. How to prepare a job interview began with following. Begin. There are so many preparation. Among them, the major preparation are giving here. So, reviewing the job description, thoroughly researching the company, thinking about what you will wear, planning your journey to interview, prepare for questions you will be asked, preparing your own question for employer, following up with employer. They are the 7 important for job preparation. Very, very important. The best way of prepare for job interview. This is the most important best way to prepare job interview. So among these, taking to time prepare for an interview and in advance can help you secure a job offer. What are the some of the best way to read the interview? Taking sufficient time to prepare an interview can help you secure for job. What are some of the best way to get ready to interview? So you can discuss to one by one. Analyze the job. Analyze the job. An important part of interview, prepare to take the time to analyze the job posting if you have it. Next, make a match. Once you have listed the qualification for the job, make a list of your assets and match them to the job requirements. Research the company. Before you attend the job interview, it is important to find out much you can about not only job but also company. Practice interviewing. Take the time to practice answering the interview questions you will be probable to ask. Get your interview clothes ready. Do not wait until the last minute to take sure your interview clothes are ready. Have an interview outfit ready to wear at all times. So you do not have to think about what you are going to wear while you are scrambling to get ready to job interview. Decide what to do with your hair. How you style your hair for a job interview is almost as important as the interviewer. Clothes you wear after all, the interviewer is going to notice everything about you, including your interview attire, hairstyle and makeup, and you only have seconds to make a great impression. Way to bring to job interview. It is important to know what to bring to job interview. Practice interview etiquette. So proper interview etiquette is important. Remember to greet the receptionist, your interviewer and everyone else you meet politely, pleasantly and enthusiastically. Get direction. So if you are interviewing in a person, it is important to know ahead to time where you need to go for your job interview. Listen and asking question. During the job interview, listening is just as important as answering question. If you are not paying attention, you are not going to able to give good response. How to prepare for job interview? Pre-interview preparation. Review the job description. Considering your eligibility for the job, learn more about the company. Prepare a list of expected interview questions. Practice mock interviews. Organize your documents. Update your social media profile. Make travel arrangement. Decide on your interview dress. How to prepare for job interview during the interview? Research the location early. Be polite. Be mindful of your body language. Ask thoughtful questions to the interviewer. Read more. How introduce yourself in an interview. How, how to prepare after the interview. Analyze your performance. Inform your reference. Follow up with HR. Okay, these are the major preparation of interview. So, dear student, you must go to interview. So, before go to interview, you are consider these are the important point too before you conducting or going to interview for any job. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you. So I hope you are best learning from the proper interview and you will involve what are the concept in the facing interview or preparing interview. Thank you.